Take a picture for Jane.
What's her name?
Jane.
Oh man, I
Is
can't
that your
get the picture
sister?
till I get
It's your
better
sister.
service.
Oh. Is that your little sister?
Yeah.
What do you think about her? Is she cute?
Yeah.
Give her a little kiss on the forehead.
That was nice.
Say, I love my sister Jane.
I have my sister.
He's kind of staring at him. What's she doing?
What's she doing?
Is she moving?
I'm moving.
I'll just leave it on.
Oh, what was that song?
Thank you.
Very good.